Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Reaper fans. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. Today I got a good video for you guys. We're gonna be finally putting an exhaust on the 2020 Honda Grom. It's about time, right? I actually have the exhaust in the shop. I haven't took it out the box yet, but you guys gonna have to wait to see what exhaust I got. But just a few updates on the bike. The last time y'all seen me working on this thing, I did the TST fender eliminator, TST flush mount turn signals, and I did these gold levers that also flip up. I think that was the last thing you guys seen me doing to the 2020 Honda Grom. The things I did off camera, as you see, I added bar end mirrors to both sides. Thing with that is, when you're taking the stock bar ends off, there's a screw, a Phillips head screw or whatever, holding the bar to the bar end to the bar, right? Well, if you try to get a screwdriver and turn it, it's not gonna move. So I was watching, I believe his name is Blockhead. He got a towel and folded it and put it at the end of the bar end, got some vice grips and turned it. That way it broke loose the glue and stuff that they have inside the bar ends. So if you have a Grom and you plan on doing the mirrors, that's how you have to get those off. And for the throttle side, if you just straight put this on, when you turn the throttle, it's gonna stick. So when you put the right side on, throttle side, make sure you put at least, I put 3 or 4 washers on there. So that way when you turn the throttle, it snaps back. I did the custom Taylor 33 high intensity rim tape. I got gold, as you can see. I went ahead and got that just because of the forks are gold and levers are gold as well. So it's gonna be kind of like a red and gold kind of thing. And I think that's all. No, tail light. Finally got a tail light. Smoke tail light come in. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's a pretty good tail light. Got off of eBay for maybe 10 bucks. But yeah. Now it's time to put on this new exhaust because I'm so tired of this little quiet thing. I'll give you guys a cold start in a minute, and then we're gonna throw this exhaust on. So stay tuned. Alright, let's put the new exhaust on. Let me show you guys what all I have to remove. This bolt right here has to come out. And you got your 2 flange bolts up here. And then you have, if I can get it on camera, you have a bolt right here And then on the opposite side of it, I'll show you guys. That one has to come off too. So in all, I think it's 5 bolts that you have to remove to take off the stock exhaust. So let's not waste any more time. Let's take it off. So as you guys saw, pretty easy, right? This is the stock, big old, ugly, heavy, hideous exhaust. And if you guys haven't guessed it by now, I'm gonna show y'all my new exhaust. Boom. Wow. Yes. Rocks exhaust. So yeah, this is it. I wasn't able to get my my scale. Forgot to bring it with me, but I'm pretty sure this stock exhaust weighed at least an easy 15 pounds, 20 pounds. And that's when you feel it, it's ridiculous that you would think that that was on the bike. But holding this, I would say maybe 2 pounds with this and the exhaust. But it came with some tools, little springs, some nuts, and they send you a little manual, a little packet on what to do and all the parts you get. But yeah, let's go ahead and install this Brock's exhaust. Alright guys, so I forgot to hit record. I thought I did, but I forgot. So the only thing I did so far was put on the exhaust flange. I already got it tightened down and everything, so now I'm just gonna put the rest of the pipe on and throw the exhaust on. So stay with me, guys. Alright guys, so I believe we are finished, and man, it looks good. I kind of wish I would have got the I think it's like the matte finish or black finish for it, but the polish doesn't look too bad. Give you guys a closer look. You guys ready? All right, guys. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds really, really good. I like the way it sounds. But I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna wipe the exhaust off because I did touch it with my hands. Go back and check all the bolts. Make sure I torque them down good, and maybe get this thing a wash. And for you guys that want to know what the rim tape looks like and how the bike looks at nighttime, I'll throw a clip of that in there too. But yeah, that's an exhaust stall. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you would like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.